small demonstration of how the Grail platform works. So this will be split into two parts. One is where users are able to go to the Grail main platform to actually get credentials, different kind of credentials. And the second part of this demo would be how these credentials could be used in the context of a DAO or a community for automatic onboarding and credentials, all of this privacy preserving. So what you are seeing now here is the Grail main platform. So this is where users would come to fetch different kinds of credentials. Today we are able to see multiple different kinds of credentials listed here. Few on-chain credentials, including ETH, Matic balance. If someone is a Bored Ape NFT holder, and also we have few credentials based on someone's KYC done based on their sovereign IDs. We have few more credentials coming up very soon. Proof of personhood credential based on liveness check based on Bright ID. We also have the proof of personhood claim now live based on KYC documents. And then we will have upcoming credentials, proof of employment. Then we will be launching a Twitter influencer score credential based on our partnership with Hive. These are upcoming credentials. So what we are going to show now is a simple workflow on how a user can get a private credential in their wallet based on their Matic balance. So let's go. You click on this box. So you will kind of see a small pop-up that's coming up, which will kind of give you a description about this credential. As it says, get a proof of your Matic token holding by going through this flow and connecting your MetaMask wallet. The credential itself will mention that this Matic balance was obviously on that particular timestamp whenever this credential was got. That is part of the credential and the credential schema. So let's go ahead and click this button, get Matic balance credential. First, we need to log into Grail using any of the identity supported identity wallets. Today, the only wallet that we support is the Polygon ID wallet app. In the future, we hope to expand that support to multiple other wallets. So let's go ahead and scan this QR code using the mobile device. So we'll also show the mobile device on the screen right now. So as you can see, this is the Polygon ID app mobile device casted to my screen, and so I'm actually going to go back to this balance credential and try to log into this. Okay, I've actually already logged into the Polygon ID app. Now it is asking me to connect to MetaMask wallet because it from my Polygon wallet address, the system is going to pull my Matic balance and actually add it to my credentials. So let's go and connect the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so this is my wallet balance. I say continue. So what this means is the system has actually fetched, connected my MetaMask wallet to my profile here. So at this point of time, my Polygon ID wallet address and MetaMask wallet address are connected into one unified profile. So now we are actually now I'm ready to fetch my credentials. So by scanning this QR code, we will be able to fetch the credential in the identity wallet. As you can see, once we scan the QR code, this screen comes up which says that, hey, this is a credential that's being offered to you. Do you want to accept it? This is a very important thing here. In the context of private credential using zero knowledge proof and in the kind of system that we are creating, someone can get a credential only when they accept it to be as part of their wallet. Unlike in the case of NFTs and soulbound tokens, NFTs can be pushed to a particular wallet without their approval. That's not the case here. So the user has to approve to get a specific identity or credential in their wallet, which kind of mimics a real world use case. So we'll go ahead and click accept, and we are unlocking the device. So this is going to add the claim. So this is what's happening over here is this is being registered on the chain itself. and the actual credential itself is going to be added to the wallet. On the chain there will be hashed version of the credential, and the state of the credential will be added. As you can see now, this credential actually coming up in my identity wallet under my data. So multiple other credentials will kind of getting start listed over here. So this is the simple workflow, and as we can imagine, this is a one-time effort that users have to do. From here, if they have to verify this particular credential, it could be any on-chain or off-chain credential. As we go back to the Grail homepage, we can see that, as I explained before, there are multiple off-chain credentials that we plan to add. We already have one, which is the KYC credential. So if we click on the KYC credential box, we will actually see that this itself offers three different credential. One is the age credential, another is country of residence, another is proof of personhood. So this proof of personhood essentially means we are able to identify unique humans, so we can actually stop spams and bots in different kinds of Web3 ecosystem. And as we mentioned before, coming soon is proof of employment, proof of personhood based on multiple other techniques, including Bright ID and liveness check using cameras. And as people add more and more credential, it will start showing up in their identity wallet, and this is a one-time activity. Users get these credentials, and all they have to do is go to different dApps and Discord servers and DAOs and verify themselves by creating zero knowledge proof. That is something that we will show in phase 2 of this demo. Thanks a lot.